Welcome to Chakwa International. I am Nirmal speaking. This is the 100 questions on political science for Odisha Civil Service Examination 2021, going to be on August 27. What is mentioned in the draft copy, you only simply have to follow. I am not repeat again. I am going the extra because time is very short. I am putting extra information along with this question answer. Answers are marked in yellow color. Next, India Council Act 1892, the power to discuss budget. Regulatory Act 1773, Supreme Court at Calcutta. Peats India Act 1784, Courts of Director, manage the commercial affairs, Board of Control for the manage the political affairs. 1813, permitted Christian mission to carry out their work. 181833, law member appointed to Governors General Council. 1919, divided provincial subject into two parts, transport and reserve. 1909, introduced separate electorates for Muslims. 1919, extended communal representative to Sikhs, Christians, Anglo-Indians and Europeans. 1919, separated provincial budget from the central budget. 1935, every government activity based on constitution. Three list, federal list 59 subjects. 1935, federal list 59 subjects, provincial list 54 subjects, concurrent 36, residual power with the viceroy. Charter Act 1833 permitted Indians to take part in the administration of the country. Cabinet mission, the Lawrence Cripps Alexander, and the member of the Constitutional Assembly was elected by the from the provincial assembly to proportional representation by a single transfer vote. Sachinanda Sinha was a temporary vice president chairman of the constituency. It was replaced by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first vice chancellor, the first vice chairman of the Constitutional Assembly S.C. Mukherjee, chairman of Constitutional Assembly Jawaharlal Nehru. Tricycle were designed by Pingle, weight and length 2:3, adopted 22nd July 1947. Judicial review, U.S. Constitution, adopted by U.S. Constitution. Pocket vote. Pocket vote as a provision with the President of India. He can keep a bill with unlimited, there is no time limit. But in America, it is a time limit is there. I think it 10 to 14 days. But India case, there is no time limit. Fundamental duty, it is Soviet Constitution, 97 adopted by 86 Constitution Amendment. Original Constitution 22 parts, 395 articles, 8 schedule. Do you remember 22 parts, 395 articles, 8 schedule. Now it's 48 articles, 25 parts and 12 schedule. Preamble is a part of the Constitution, but it is non-justiciable. In the Kesavananda Bharati case, it is a part of the Constitution. Article 30 is soul and heart of the Constitution by the Ambedkar, because you have right to fight if a fundamental right is affected. Fundamental right you can approach both High Court and Supreme Court. Preamble, the social, economical, political issues from the Russian Constitution, liberty, equality, fraternity from the French Constitution. Artists Constitution Amendment, Sikkim is the full-fledged state of India, first state to be constituted on linguistic basis was Andhra Pradesh. Article 57, state to maintain for maintenance of international peace, and central government can make any law on the state list. Free legal aid to poor, was inserted by 42nd Amendment 1976. Magna Carta of Indian Constitution is a fundamental right. Right to property was abolished as fundamental right. 44th Amendment 1978. Article 19(1)(f) 31 repealed. Article 300(a) was added. That is legal right. Now it is legal right, not a fundamental right. The constitutional amendment can be with the introduction of special majority. Special majority, full absolute majority along with two-third majority. 93 Constitution Amendment promote educational to OBC 27% reservation. 61st Constitution Bill reduced the voting age from the 21 to 18. 91st Amendment Bill, the member of the central government, the 15% of total seat, number of ministers. GST 101 Amendment, Citizenship Act 1955. You can get citizen by 5 ways. One is birth, descent, registration, naturalization, incorporation of territory, social and economic democracy, directive principle. Directive principle, Irish Constitution, Article 40 village panchayat and Article 43 cottage Gandhian principle. Article 13, the judicial review. Now, this is the clause. If you are interested, please like it. We are going to repeat. So, this type of presentation may be 10 before the 26, 12 o'clock night. Thank you.